Hello friends, I'm Sana. Welcome back to my channel, and yes, I am again back with a new video for you all guys. So let's start the video. Again, today my video is on a beauty product. Yes, so it's from Nykaa, and you know Nykaa is really a good company and a good app. You can buy your things from there, and yes, I personally love this app. And yes guys, I want to say you a special thing. If you want to get more and more offers, and like buy one get one free, getting 90% off, getting 70% off, if you want to get this kind of offer, join my Telegram group. Link is in the description. You can join from there. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, not want to, please do follow me on Instagram for more updates. Link is again in the description to follow me. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and please like my video, share and do a comment and say how is the product by saying. So I will be unboxing this Nykaa parcel in front of you. So let's unbox it.
Hello everyone, again I'm back with one of the parcel from Nykaa again. So you were going to reveal all the products in front of you. So let's open the box. So as before also I've told you, the packaging of the box is very good so that all the products are safe when we are receiving it. Let's open as it is written over here. Open from here. Okay, so you can see here is the box. So an extra covering again to protect all the items that we are buying. So first one, let me open it. It's a conditioner. In the last video you will be watching that I have shown you about shampoo from Biolit, Matrix Biolit Smooth Proof shampoo. It's the conditioner of the same brand. So if you are having a smoothing hair or you are having a frizzy hair, you can use it and get a natural shine as well as get rid from your frizzy hair. Okay, so this is conditioner from Matrix Biolit. Next one, some essential things I have brought this time. As you know that this is the pandemic situation, you have to wear a mask and use a sanitizer. You will find many sanitizers are there in the market who demand to be very good, but as we do not use them, we don't know about them. So it's better to trust on some good brand. So I brought some sanitizer from VLCC. It's a brand which is always been trusted. Many products are there from VLCC house and they are very effective. So by the name I trust on them, and I have also used many cream from VLCC. That's why I trusted this brand. Let me open it in front of you. It is packed with some sellotape is given, and I will be telling you about the smell. Smell does matter a lot, isn't it? Most of the time the sanitizer that are available in the market, other than Dettol, Lifebuoy and Savlon, sanitizers are having a very pungent smell of alcohol. So let me see the smell over here. I will be taking few drops. Please, all the viewers, in this pandemic situation, do use sanitizer. Wash your hands in a proper interval. If you are going outside your home, please wear a mask. So you can see it dried up very quickly, and the smell is very nice. The pungent smell of alcohol is not coming out, so you can go forward and buy it. Most of the sanitizers that are available in the market, they also claim that they also kill 99.9% germs, but we don't know about the brand. But you can trust this brand. This is from VLCC. Next one is also a sanitizer from a very trusted brand, that is Boroplast, which is very famous for its antiseptic cream. You must have used it. Many people still now use Borolene and Boroplast. They are very good antiseptic cream. It is also alcohol based along with neem and tulsi, so they demand to protect your hands also, because most of the time you will see by using hand sanitizer the hands are becoming very rough. So you can use it as it is an antiseptic cream. They are famous for their antiseptic cream. So, and the smell of Boroplast is also very nice. So let me see whether it smells good or not. Applying a little bit in my hand. I will rub the hands properly. Yes, it vanishes very quickly. It's dry up very quickly, and it is in a gel form. Both are there in a gel form, not in a liquid one. So the smell is also very nice. So you can please go forward and you can buy them, as they are from trusted brands. So please everyone, take care of yourself. Whenever you are going out, please wear a mask. In this pandemic situation, we have to overcome this situation, and do carry some sanitizer with you if you are going out from your house. Thank
Here
you.
I am back, and yes, the products were really very good, but the products was really very new to me. That's why my aunt gave the review. You know, she is very excited for these things, and she really loved doing this, so she gave review, and I also loved it. She is doing so, she is also giving a great review, so you guys will not have any kind of problem. So this was a really good product, and I hope you guys will also love it. And please, if you want to buy the product, link is in the description. You can go and buy from there. And thank you guys, love you.